Alright, this is Chadley DoRight here, the garage update. This is July, same weekend as the 4th, and a little bit of an update of my garage situation. Well, got most of my wall cleared and I got most of these nails out. Car decided to break down on Monday, so we're underneath this heat advisory thing, so I thought I'd show you all how it's trying to keep pulling this heat. So half shaft broke on the Camry, and well, the outer CV boot broke, CV joint broke at 422,000 miles. I can't remember how many miles I put on this, but this is a brand new axle shaft, or it was, and they're going to warranty it, they told me at least, so I've already paid for it. I got the new one installed. There's all the parts and fan, tools. There's last couple weeks ago I put in some exhaust parts in. There's a new, I don't know if you can see it in there or not, there's a new flex joint in there. So anyways, thought I'd show you how I was trying to stay cool. There's a tent, and I got a little pad to keep my hood from, not that it really matters, my hood's already pretty bad shape anyways, but keep additional scratching on it. I put this old wax pad there to help keep it from scarring up. So yeah, a little tent, fan, and I soaked my shirt in water to help keep me cool while I do some work on this thing. So yeah, back at it again. Chadley DoRight out.